We are now just days away from the official launch of the iPhone 17 Pro Max, and the leaks have painted such a clear picture that it almost feels like the phone is already here. And honestly, this year's model seems to bring more meaningful changes than many people expected. The display will still be a massive 6.9-inch OLED panel with ProMotion like last year, but this time Apple is adding an anti-reflective coating similar to the nano texture option found on the MacBook Pros and iPad Pros, which should make outdoor visibility so much better because glare has always been an issue on the iPhones. Cameras, however, are the real highlight. Leaks say we are getting a triple 48 megapixel system with an 8x optical zoom lens, which is a first for Apple, going beyond the 5x limit we had before, and with digital zoom, this could push all the way to 50x plus 8K video recording support across all three sensors, which is insane for a smartphone. And even the selfie camera is finally getting upgraded to 24 megapixels after years of being stuck with the same hardware is the iPhone 14 Pro. Powering all this is the new A19 Pro chip built on TSMC's 3nm process, promising around 25% better performance while using less power, and paired with 12 GB of RAM, this should make multitasking and Apple Intelligence features much smoother. Though storage still maxes out at 1 TB with no 2 TB option yet, but at least we are finally getting a vapor chamber cooling system to keep things running cooler during gaming or heavy video recording. Battery life looks very promising too, as we are hearing that Apple is finally putting in a 5000 mAh cell, the biggest ever in an iPhone, with faster charging support up to 45 watt on USB-C and 25 watt wireless with QI 2.2, which is way better for power bank users compared to last year's MagSafe speeds. On the design side, Apple seems to be moving back to aluminum instead of titanium, probably to help with heat management. And new colors like dark blue and orange are coming alongside the usual black, white and grey, while connectivity is also being improved with a new custom C1 chip for 5G, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. As for when you can actually get it, Apple's event is set for September 9th at 10 AM Pacific, with pre-orders on September 12th and sales starting September 19th. And the price is expected to be slightly higher at $1,249 for the base 256GB model, which is $50 more than before. But considering the 8x zoom, 8K recording, anti-reflective screen, bigger battery and better charging, I personally feel it's justified and probably the most Pro Max worthy upgrade in years. But now the question is, do you think these changes make it worth buying? Let me know your thoughts in the comments and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the latest update on Apple News. Thank you.